A promise broken. Siri's fall from grace. In the world of technology, promises are made and promises are broken. Yet few have been as audacious, as captivating, and ultimately as hollow as Apple's proclamation that Siri would be a revolution. This was more than just a voice assistant, they claimed. Siri was the future, a digital companion poised to reshape our interaction with technology. The world watched, captivated by slick presentations and dazzling demos. We believed, we trusted, we were wrong. Siri, once a beacon of innovation, had become synonymous with frustration. The once seamless demos were replaced by real-world glitches, the intuitive responses now clunky and unreliable. Users, once eager to embrace this digital marvel, found themselves increasingly disillusioned. The whispers began, questioning whether Siri was just another overhyped Silicon Valley mirage. Little did we know, the truth was far more insidious. The year was 2024. The stage was set for Apple's highly anticipated keynote, a spectacle known for its carefully orchestrated reveals and groundbreaking announcements. As the lights dimmed and the familiar silhouette of the CEO graced the stage, anticipation crackled through the air. This was it, the moment where Apple would once again redefine the boundaries of what technology could be. They were going to unveil the new Siri, a Siri that would silence all doubters and reclaim its throne as the undisputed king of voice assistants. What followed was a carefully choreographed ballet of technology and showmanship. The CEO, with his signature charisma, showcased Siri's new capabilities. Complex questions were answered with startling accuracy. Tasks, once deemed impossible for a mere voice assistant, were executed flawlessly. The crowd roared its approval, caught up in the frenzy of yet another Apple revolution. But behind the dazzling display of technological prowess, a dark secret lurked. A secret that would soon send shockwaves through the tech world and shake the very foundations of Apple's carefully cultivated image. The demo, the very foundation upon which this new era of Siri was built, was a lie. The illusion unveiled smoke and mirrors at the keynote. The meticulously crafted illusion of the new and improved Siri began to crumble almost immediately after the applause died down. As tech journalists and eager consumers rushed to experience this revolutionary technology firsthand, a chilling realization swept through the room. This wasn't the Siri from the demo. This wasn't even Siri on a good day. This was the same old Siri, riddled with the same old limitations, clumsiness, and frustrating inaccuracies. Whispers turned to murmurs, then to a cacophony of outrage as the truth began to unravel. The seamless integration, the breathtaking accuracy, the mind-blowing capabilities showcased on stage, none of it was real. It was a carefully constructed facade, a theatrical performance designed to mask a painful reality. Siri wasn't ready. The technology simply wasn't there yet. Reports began to surface from within Apple itself, whistleblowers risking their careers to expose the truth. The flawless demo, the one that had captivated the world, was a sham. The Siri on stage wasn't interacting with the live internet, wasn't processing complex language models in real time. It was running on a pre-scripted loop, responding to a predetermined set of questions and commands. The audience hadn't witnessed a technological marvel. They'd been played by a carefully orchestrated illusion. The public outcry was swift and brutal. Accusations of fraud, deception, and betrayal flooded social media. How could Apple, a company that prided itself on innovation and customer trust, resort to such blatant trickery? The answer, it seemed, lay in the cutthroat world of big tech, where the pressure to innovate, to stay ahead of the curve, could lead even the most ethical of giants down a dangerous path.